Now we will discuss a few questions on the first form, that is the slope intercept form. Suppose we have to find the equation of a straight line whose slope is 2 and y-intercept is 3. You have to make sure that in this equation y is equal to mx plus c. Whenever we will use this equation, this y-intercept, this is c is what? Y-intercept. It is not the x-intercept. And this is your slope of the line. So if we are given the slope and y-intercept, we can straight away find the equation of the line. Therefore, the equation of the line is y is equal to what is m? M is this. This is your m. M is 2 into x plus what is c? C is 3. This is c. Therefore, the equation of our line is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Second part. Now, this time we are given theta. Theta is 45 degree. Now, theta is 45 degree. Therefore, what is theta? Theta is the angle of inclination. This is angle of inclination. Now, since we know the angle of inclination, we can find out m. What was m? M was tan of angle of inclination. That is tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. And our line cuts y-axis at a distance of 3 units below the origin. That is, our line is cutting the y-axis at a distance of 3 units below the origin. Therefore, this coordinate is 0 minus 3. Therefore, what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is minus 3. Now, we know m and c both. Therefore, we can find the equation as m is 1 into x, and what is c? C is minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to x minus 3. Therefore, the equation of our line is y is equal to x minus 3. In this case, our equation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Next question. Find the equation of a line which makes an angle of tan inverse 3 with the x-axis and cuts off an intercept of 4 units on the negative direction of y-axis. Now, as soon as it says it cuts off an intercept of 4 units on the negative direction of y-axis, therefore, our line is definitely passing through 0, minus 4. Line is either passing this way or that way. Therefore, what is c? C straight away is minus 4. And what is theta? Theta is given to be tan inverse 3. Now, if tan inverse 3 is theta, therefore, what is tan theta? We'll take this to that side. Therefore, tan theta is 3. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is m. M is what? The slope. Now, we are given the slope and the y-intercept. Now, since we know both the slope and the y-intercept, we can use the formula y is equal to mx plus c to find the equation of the line. Y is equal to, what is m? 3x plus what is c? Minus 4. Therefore, the equation of the line is y is equal to 3x minus 4. Third equation. Find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to the line joining the points this and this, and it cuts off an intercept of minus 3 from the y-axis. Now, two informations again. Our line, the equation of line that we are looking for, is perpendicular to the given line, which is formed by joining these 2 points. This is our line. Our line is perpendicular to this line. So first of all, we can find the slope of our line using the concept m1 into m2 is what? Minus 1. If we can find the slope of this line, let's say this is m1, and let the slope of our line be m2. Therefore, the product of the slope should be minus 1 because the lines are perpendicular. Now, the slope of this line, let's say AB, is what? Slope of AB is, let's say, m1. And how can we find this? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Therefore, 1 minus 3, assuming this to be x2 y2, assuming this to be x1 y1. So, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Minus 2 upon minus 5, which comes out to be 2 by 5. Now, this is the slope of line AB, and let's say this is CD, our line. Therefore, slope of CD be, let's say, m2. Therefore, m1 into m2 should be minus 1. Therefore, m1 is 2 by 5. m2, our slope, we do not know, is minus 1. m2 is what? Minus 5 by 2. Therefore, the slope of our line, now we know, is minus 5 by 2. The second information is that our line cuts off an intercept of minus 3 on the y-axis. Straight away, this is what? This is c, the y-intercept. Our line is cutting the y-axis at minus 3. Therefore, c is what? Minus 3. Now we know c as well as m. Therefore, the equation of our line can be found out by y is equal to x plus c. M is what? Minus 5 by 2 into x plus, what is c? C is minus 3. Now, if you take LCM, minus 5x minus 6 upon 2, we'll cross multiply. 2y is equal to minus 5x minus 6. Therefore, taking every term to the left side, 2y plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. This is the equation of our line which is perpendicular to the given line AB and which cuts off an intercept of minus 3 on the y-axis. And if you can look, the equation is a linear equation in two variables.